Types of welding machine. MIG welding machine. A MIG welding machine, or gas metal arc welding (GMAW) machine, is an arc welder that uses a continuously fed, heated consumable wire electrode and a shielding gas to create an electric arc that joins pieces of metal. TIG welding machine. TIG stands for tungsten inert gas and is technically called gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW). The process uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode that delivers the current to the welding arc. Shielded metal arc welding machine (STIC). A shielded metal arc welding (SMAW) machine, also called a stick welder, uses an electric arc between a flux-coated electrode and the metal to be joined. The heat from the arc melts both the electrode and the base metal, and the flux coating creates a protective gas shield and slag to prevent atmospheric contamination of the weld. This process is popular because it's versatile, portable, and works well outdoors in wind or rain. Flux cored arc welding machine. Flux core welding (FCW) is a type of arc welding that uses a continuous wire electrode with a flux core to create the weld. This method is similar to MIG welding, but instead of relying on a separate shielding gas, the flux within the wire provides the necessary protection from contaminants in the air. Energy beam welding machine. Energy beam welding, otherwise referred to as electron beam welding, is a fusion welding process. The method involves a beam of high-velocity electrons that are applied to two materials that are being joined together. Plasma arc welding machine. Plasma arc welding is an advanced form of tungsten inert gas (TIG) welding. In the case of TIG, it is an open arc shielded by argon or helium, whereas plasma uses a special torch where the nozzle is used to constrict the arc while the shielding gas is separately supplied by the torch. Submerged arc welding machine. Submerged arc welding is a long-established, automated welding process in which an AC arc is formed between a heavy-gauge workpiece and a continuously fed electrode. The arc is shielded by a directly deposited granular flux material of several possible varieties.